Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to cancel a sell or buy order on Degiro. Quickly canceling orders helps you manage your investments and prevent unwanted trades. Let's get started. First, log into your Degiro account on your PC or browser. Next, go to the portfolio or order section, where your active orders are listed. Then, locate the sell or buy order you want to cancel. Make sure you select the correct order to avoid mistakes. After that, click Cancel or Withdraw, depending on the interface version. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. Degiro will process it immediately, and your order will be removed from the active list. Finally, double-check your portfolio or order history to ensure the transaction has been successfully cancelled. That's it. Cancelling a sell or buy order on Degiro is quick, simple, and helps you stay in control of your trades. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.